That's good. Positioning is lovely. Now slowly ease off the gas and slowly steer to the left. Bit more turn, a little bit more. And come to a gentle stop here. Brake to a stop. We need to brake here. Put your brake on, that's lovely. Now before we go, because we can't see really well, we need to see past the blue car. Make sure there's no approaching car. Because if there is an approaching car, you would need to stop, because the only only thing he can do is to come into our road. Yeah. Now that there's no car, I want you to slowly release the brake. So gently release your brake. That's it. That's good. Now don't steer anymore. Let the car go into the road. Once your car is straight, then straighten your front wheels. Lovely. Now straighten your front wheels so the steering wheel stick. That's lovely. Yeah? Now move the car a little bit to right, so we're 1 meter away from the parked cars. That's lovely. Now can you see the white lines on the floor?
Yeah.
So now we need to slow down and we need to stop for a second. Now we're going to go through. He's telling us to go. That's it. Now move a little bit more to the right, and then we're going to go into that gap. So move your car a little bit more to the right. Now straighten the car so you don't hit the pavement. Now let's move into this gap here, but we will need to stop. That's it. Now straighten the car a little bit more to the right. So we go that way. Steer to the right. Bit more, a little bit more, and come to a stop here for a second so you can get your perspective. Just take a deep breath. You did okay. That was fine. First time you come across that. Not bad. But we had no option but to come to this side. And the reason for that young lady said, look, I'll stop here. You can come into this gap. So that's what we call taking charge of the situation. She took charge of that situation. Okay. That made sense. Now what we need to do is we need to go around this parked car. We then need to turn left at the end of this road. Okay. So to go around that car, we need to make sure there's nobody coming. So you need to look in your right door mirror, then go around this car, then signal left to turn left at the end of that road.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you try and do that on your own without me giving you a hand?
Yes.
And then if you need a hand, I'll automatically help you, or if you tell me to help you, okay?
Okay.
Let's see if you can do a little bit more on your own. There you are, you didn't need my help. Well done. A little bit more to the right. That's it. That's good. And now come back onto our side of the road. And now straighten your front wheels. A bit more to the right. That's it. And now signal left again. And then stop at the end of your road on the double lines. Angle your car slightly to the left. So steer to the left a little. And move forward a little bit more. And come to a gentle stop here. Lovely. Now pause here, so don't release your brake. Keep your brake on. Take a big deep breath and breathe out so you start to understand what you need to do next. So now what we need to do is we need to turn left into this new road. Now here we have a problem. We have a black car parked there and 2 cars parked on the side. So if there was anyone coming up this road, it would be safer for us to wait here behind our giveaway than to go in and deal with that problem. So let's look to the right, and there's nobody approaching. There's this gentleman crossing over here, so we must let him cross. When you turn to the left, all I want you to do is release your brake and not give gas. Okay. Straighten the car up first when it's safe. Can I try and let you do this on your own without me giving you a hand? See if you're able to do a bit more. Okay. When you're ready, move off. Straighten the car quickly with your hands. Stay to the right, and then you'll mark the pavement. Bit more to the right, bit more to the right. Hold your wheel there. Now straighten the wheel. There. Let the car do the work. Now you must move to the right to go around the black car. Hold your wheel there. Let the car do the work. That's fine. Yep. Now straighten the wheel. If your wheel is straight, then your wheels are straight at the moment. So now what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to find a safe place to park on the left hand side of this road. Usually when I ask you to park, keep to the right. As we go down this road, I'll tell you where we're going to park. Every time I ask you to park, I need you to find a safe, legal and convenient place. So not too close to the junction, not on a bend, not anywhere where you would endanger yourself. So we're going to park in front of this silver car. Once you go past this junction, then signal left. So not yet. Slow the car down a little bit and straighten the car with him. Now signal left. Move a little bit away from the curb so you don't hit the curb. Now straighten your wheel. Now gently brake to a stop. Now remember how we secure the car. Yep. Lovely. There we are. Well done. First lesson, I think you did remarkably well, actually.
Thank you.
I think you'll crack it. I think you do really, really well. I think you need to practice your theory. Think you did all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think you did okay. I think what you need to remember is try and do more on your own. Do you understand why I'm trying to make you do more on your own? It's the first time you moved a car.
Yeah.
Do you understand why I'm trying to give you more of an opportunity to kind of do it on your own?
To be independent.
Yeah, to be independent. Yeah, you don't want to rely on anyone. And the faster you learn on your own, the quicker you'll pass your test. And it wasn't hard, was it?
No.
It's not as hard as you thought.
Yeah.
It isn't.
Yeah.
It's not. You can easily pass your test. If I passed my test, I think you can. And if your brother passed his test, so can you. If women can fly spaceships and if they can fly aeroplanes, I'm sure you can drive a car.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you.
So in terms of the way it's going to work,